In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Postmark webhooks, bounces, opens, clicks, deliveries. Webhooks let Postmark notify your app the moment something happens, like a bounce, a delivery, an open, a click, a spam complaint, or a subscription change. Instead of polling for status, Postmark sends a JSON payload to your endpoint right when the event occurs, so your system can react in real time. First, prepare your webhook endpoint. This is a URL on your server that accepts HTTP post requests, reads a JSON payload, and returns a fast 200 OK to confirm receipt. For example, you might use a route like https://yourdomain.com postmark webhooks. In your framework of choice, Node.js, PHP, Python, or others, create a handler that parses JSON and logs or queues the event for later processing. Keep it lightweight. Acknowledge with 200 quickly and do heavier work in the background so Postmark doesn't time out. Use HTTPS, validate content type, and safely handle unexpected fields, since Postmark may add properties over time. Next, head to your Postmark dashboard and choose the server where you want to receive events. Each server has its own settings, so confirm you're in the right place for the messages you send. If your organization uses multiple environments, double-check you're editing the correct one. Open the message stream you use for these emails and then navigate to its Webhooks tab. Postmark organizes webhooks at the stream level, such as an outbound transactional stream. So picking the correct stream ensures you only receive the events that relate to those messages. The Webhooks tab is where you'll connect your endpoint. Choose Add Webhook and paste your endpoint URL. Select the event types you want. Bounce notifies you when delivery fails. Delivery confirms a message was accepted by the receiving server. Open fires when a tracked message is opened. Click fires when a recipient clicks a tracked link. Spam complaint tells you when someone marks your message as spam. Subscription change covers unsubscribe and resubscribe actions. If your endpoint needs authentication, set HTTP AUTH or add custom headers so your server can verify requests. Save the webhook, and Postmark will send JSON payloads to your URL as events occur. You can add up to 10 webhook URLs per server. After saving, watch your server logs to confirm events are arriving and that you're returning 200 OK. Store the event type and any identifiers your app needs, and make processing idempotent so retries don't duplicate work. Keep credentials out of code, protect the endpoint, and review how you handle unsubscribes and complaints to stay compliant. That's all you need to start receiving real-time email lifecycle events with Postmark.